Hello friends, I am Dr. Soumendra Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Niramoy. I hope you guys enjoy the all my videos and please let me know in the comment what kind of videos you want to see from me. Today I am discussing on the topic of IBS, that means irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome and its cause, symptoms, signs and triggering factor, and homeopathic approach to treat the condition. First of all, what is IBS? Irritable bowel syndrome is a common disorder that affects the large intestine. IBS, also known as spastic colon, irritable colon, mucus colitis, and spastic colitis. It is a separate condition from inflammatory bowel disease, and it is not related to other bowel condition. IBS can causes intestinal damages in some cases. However, that is not common. IBS does not increase your risk of gastrointestinal carcinoma, but it can still have a significant effect on your life. Symptoms of IBS. First of all, the symptoms of IBS is cramping, abdominal pain, bloating and gas, constipation and diarrhea. Most of the time, the constipation and diarrhea alternate each others. Sometimes, due to abnormalities in peristaltic movement, IBS occurs. Symptoms of IBS are not always persistent. They can resolve only to come back. However, some people do have continued symptoms. In case of women may tend to have symptoms around the time of menstruation, or they may have more symptoms during this time. Menopausal women have a fewer symptoms than women who are still menstruating. Symptoms of IBS in men Symptoms of IBS in men are the same as the symptoms of women. Causes of IBS is not known. Factor that appear to play a role includes muscle construction in the intestine. Second, nervous system. That means abnormalities in the nerve in your digestive system may causes you to experience greater than normal discomfort when your abdomen stretches from gas or stool. Number 3, inflammation in the intestine. Some people with IBS have an increased number of immune system cells in their intestine. Severe infection and changes in the bacteria in the gut microflora. Triggering factor that symptoms of IBS can be triggered by food, stress, and some hormone. Now, I am discussing on the medicine that is used for treatment of IBS is number 1, lycopodium. This remedy is well suited for the people. The pain are worse in the evening, typically from 4 to 8 p.m. and relieved by passing winds. The inflamed digestive tract struggle to get enough nutrition from food, so there can be loss of weight with fullness of bloating in the abdomen. The appetite is very changeable and can go from being ravenous hunger to very full after a few mouthful. Nux vomica. This remedy suits for the people who burn the candle at the both end, working hard and playing harder. Eventually, the stressful lifestyle takes its toll and digestive system suffers. There are severe stomach cramps and acid reflux that are aggravated by mental exertion. Fullness and indigestion are worse after coffee, spicy food, and smoking. There can also be a lot of nausea and feeling of being seasick. The remedy is also very useful to treat the hangover. Number 3, Arsenicum album. Stomach cramp that are very worse after taking cold. This remedy is suits for the people who always feel chilly. So much so that even eating cold coffee such as ice cream aggravates. There is a great deal of diarrhea that can come on after drinking. Moving around makes everything worse. Taking regular sips of warm drink and lying down to rest being relief. Sulfur, stomach cramp aggravated by touch with burning pain, worse in the morning and night. Appetite is usually increased, especially around 11 a.m. with all gone sensation in the stomach. The stomach feels very heavy after eating. Carboveg, the remedy is well suited to older people or those suffering from general fatigue with stomach pain that are burning, sore, and piercing. There are cramp which feels like a stomach is being contracted with a lot of bloating after eating. Butter, fats, and rice. Rich food can causes belching, heartburn, and indigestion with weakness or faintness. Natrum muriaticum, indigestion after too much starchy food with sour belching and terrible hiccup. There are painful stomach cramp aggravated by touch, strong emotion such as grief or disappointed love can aggravate the condition, and the patient is very much fonded to take common salt.
Those stories, I'm a fool for your love.